My crafty friends, how's everyone doing? Welcome to my craft room. I'm here today to do a little flip through of the next Junky Junk journal that I finished off. I've been working on these, and this one turned out super cute. So here it is. It's this long, narrow one. I think I forgot to tell you the measurements on these two. They're both about the same. The last one I did had the man on the front, Tim Holtz man paper doll. And they are pretty much the same size anyway. This is 3.5 inches wide by about 8.5 inches tall. This one is similar in colors, but a little different, a little different. So anyway, that other one with the man on, I have it over there. That's why I'm kind of like pointing over there. I have it sitting over there on my table. But I used the masking paper on the book cover or the journal cover, and it was the green one. And this one I used the craft colored one. Here it is here too. And I painted underneath this. I painted all, if you remember, I painted all of the covers first, and then put something over them as far as when I started decorating them. You can see a little bit of the paint right here on this one. Not much of it. I pretty much covered up the whole thing though with the masking paper. And then I used some Tim Holtz pieces here. This is a piece of glue there or something. But this is a piece from Tim Holtz. It says it has to do with sewing patterns. It has little, pieces or pictures of the pattern there, and it says home pattern up here. Nice vintagey looking piece. And then this couple here. That was really cute. I really love the colors. Anyway, then I used a piece of muslin on the spine like I did the last one. Here's the back, and I put a little piece of Tim Holtz right here too. I sewed the closure muslin strips on right here on this one with a zigzag stitch on the front and the back. So I've got some goodies here which I will show you at the end, but let's open it up. And so this is the Junky Junk journals that I've been working on that I'm finishing off now. I'm putting in my shop. So when you see this video, this one will be in my shop. And as we open up, I did put a little piece of Tim Holtz here because you can see through the paper here, so you can cover this up if you don't. This book was about, I took these pages from what was a children's books about nature, and this particular page was about alligators. So you can see the title through here. So I didn't want that the title to show through, so I put that there. But you can see words here too. If you wanted to cover that up, you could. But I would just ignore it. I probably would end up putting something there myself. If this was my journal, though, I would just whatever I wanted to do with the journal, that I would put a pocket or decorate, collage, whatever you want to do. And so let's flip through real quick. So the pages are all from my Junky Junk journal stash. And like this is from the home decorating book. This is from a ream of paper, the wrapping. I've got a pocket here, and I have it clipped on drilling card. That's cardstock here right on the back. It's white on the back. And this is packing paper. This is a menu. This is also from a ream of paper. Pocket there. Packing paper. Notebook paper that's been dyed with paint residue. Tyvek envelope. More packing paper. This is white envelope. Paper from a white envelope. Notebook paper that's been dyed again. Home decorating book in the middle here. I wanted to put a pretty page in the middle. This journal is bound with green embroidery floss, and then the back half. So there's about 40 surfaces in here, or 20 pages. Is that right? I think that's right. So lots of room to write, stick things in, do whatever you want, paint, color, draw. Here's another drilling card. It's a one of my photos that I made into a journaling card. This is some type of water. I don't know if it's the ocean or a lake, but it is a water picture. And there you go. Super cute. So as I've been saying, I'm listing these for a very low price. So if you'd like one, go and pick them up. Pick one up or pick them all up, whatever's there. Pick up whatever you want. I do have lots of listings in my shop, lots of things listed. Take a peek around on eBay there. And so you saw how this was tied in a bow when I first started the video, but you can also wrap it around and kind of tuck it in if you'd like to not tie a bow type of thing. So there's plenty of fabric here to do that. So let's put this to the side for the moment and we'll show you what's in the goodie bag. So I'm recycling, since this is kind of a junky junk journal theme. I am recycling some of these pieces that I have kept and not thrown out. And so I'm putting all the goodies in here. And I've done that with the last couple. Put them in recycled bags from orders I've received in the mail. This is a pretty napkin I'm putting with this one. Be able to collage or make things with that. A few pieces of paper that you can glue down or cut up and make into journaling spots if you'd like. These are very vintagey looking. And this one says today. It's a kind of a mauve-ish, tannish type color there, very pretty. And then some bits and pieces of different papery goodies that I have. Let me start from the biggest one on the bottom here. This is a faux postcard. It's papery though, so that can be a writing spot too, or use it in a collage or whatever, decorate it. This is a bird. Here it goes. I'm trying to see which way is up. This is a little bird from my bird ephemera book. A little vintagey collage piece. Has butterflies on it. Another bird there. A couple of little collaged, well, this is a collaged little piece, and this has a picture of something on it. And then a couple pieces of fabric. You can always make these into clusters if you want, like put those together and then put a little button on top. And there you have a cluster. You can glue it together, sew it together, whatever. So those are with this and another little button too. A second button there. So that is this little set. I hope you enjoyed and you're enjoying my Junky Junk journals. I've been working on 2 more. I've got 3 more to do that I have ready to finish off. And then I have 1 more that I haven't started, even done anything on yet. Like I haven't painted the cover or done anything on it. But the other 2 I'll show you real quick. I'll give you a little sneak peek. They're really cute, so get ready. I did these covers last night. These were already made. These were the painted covers, and I covered them up because I just wanted to pretty them up, and I wanted to get them ready to go. So this is not sewn in yet, but see, here's the inside. Here's the outside. So cute. It's really stiff. It's really strong and sturdy, too. It's hard to believe that it all started with book pages because it feels like really thick cardstock, but this is a thick, like this was like a cloth napkin, this yellow and white gingham. So it was a pretty thick fabric. It wasn't like just cotton fabric. It's a thick fabric. And so I put a piece of that on the inside and the outside. So that was really thick besides the 3, pieces of book page that I had glued together. And then this also is another piece. So that's like 3 layers of book page. So that's 3, 4, 5, 2 pieces of fabric. And this piece here, that's 6 just on the front cover. But I sewed around the whole thing. It went right through here though. I didn't sew through this picture, but the 5 layers here around the outside I did sew around. Same on this one too. I already added this little sunflower up here, and I haven't added anything to this but the picture so far. But I think those are really cute. I took these from a book, little golden book that I have. So yep, like I said, I wanted to do them all different. So like these 2 are similar, the 2 long narrow ones with Tim Holtz ephemera. The first one is floral, and then these two are little golden book pages decorating the front cover. And I don't know what the fourth one would be. I mean, the last one will be that I have here. I did have an idea, and I can't think of what it was right now. But I'm sure after this video and as I'm working on these, it'll come back to me. Actually, I don't think I have, oh, I do have the book in here. Here it is, the last one I have to work on. Here's how it starts out. I have the pages in there, and then I decorate it, right? So I have these two books right here sitting behind me to do something with. So these, one of these may be involved in that last one I have to decorate. So stay tuned to see what I do, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you then.